Alright guys, welcome back to another video. My boy Mr. Talented Reader, and today's video I have a 2013 Ford Focus. So I'm going to show you how to remove your master door window switch, which is this right here. I'm just using a flat pen screwdriver. So first you're going to pick from here, just like this guys, and pull it out. That's that clip right there, that should push in like this, goes in like this. And you're gonna pick just like that guys, and there you go. Let's see, remove the switch guys. That's it right there. So let me remove this clip and show you how I do it. So I press and pull. So you press this piece right here, this clip, press it down and pull. And also I'll do the same thing with this one, press and pull. I'll use my one hand to do it, so it's a bit difficult guys, but just gonna press it in. So it's the same procedure like the first one guys. You just press and pull. Okay, and there you go guys, and that's it right there. So I'm going to put it back together. Sorry about that guys, I just trying to use my one hand to get it done to show you guys how to do it. Alright, so right here you have this piece there. I'm gonna go in this little hole, sorry, and push down and lock just like that guys. I'm gonna put on this piece chip right here, so you can push in here first. Hold on, I'm gonna lock this piece properly, and here you go. And that's how easy it is guys. So if you're gonna do the one on the passenger side, that's the same procedure to get it out guys. There you go. So if you find this video useful guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.